Okay, this time I've actually hit the record button. I got a big delivery today. Pretty sure, actually I know for sure that it's my copies of Robo number 2. Here is Robo number 1. And I accidentally didn't hit record, or I hit record the first time and then hit it again. So the box has already been opened, but let's have a good old unboxing video. I'm really happy that there is a ton of packaging to protect the comics. I was actually right here when the UPS guy dropped them off, and he dropped them from about 4 foot when he was getting them out of the truck. So I was a little bit dismayed, but looks like everything is totally fine on the inside. We have the back cover here. Pennies for your thoughts, don't sell your brain. Little graffiti thing. Local artist put this together. Brutal Bohemian is his name on Instagram. He does really good art. But here is the main front cover. Robo number 2, Jesse Kepler. That's me. And Philip Apley did this beautiful art and all the art inside. Really, all the main comic art inside. And I mean, I've looked at these pages digitally so much, but they just look beautiful in print. It always looks so good when you get it in person. I'm always blown away. It's a big day. It's always nice to get comics in the mail, but it's even nicer when they're your own.